I'm gonna tell you guys the best soap ever in the entire world. $23 for a pair of tweezers, $23 for scrunchies. I don't think so, you guys. These are just $1.21. What's up, YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdie Gator. You guys, I'm in a different Walmart today, and I'm just seeing so many items. Like, I was just kind of drawn to the makeup area today. Oh, these are back every year. The TikTok famous Just Add Sun little hair clips. We also have the Just Add Sun polishes. Those come back every single year. All of them change color in the sun. Lottie London, Gossip Girl, the TV series collection. Ooh, stamp liner duos, Mega Brow, Sweet Lips, cute little sets. Did you guys know you could buy Dossier perfumes right here in Walmart? We have Ambry Vanilla, Woody Sandalwood, Ambry Saffron, Musky Oak Moss, Fruity Almond, Ambry Cherry, Fruity Honey, Citrus Ginger, Gourmand White Flowers. I love that one. It smells just like Victor and Rolf's Flower Bomb. We also have Woody Sage, Powdery Tobacco, and Powdery Coconut. These range anywhere from $29 to $39 to $49. This is the part that you need to scan. It's just a very little SKU, and then it tells you what it's inspired by right here on the front. Oh my gosh, you guys, and I'm seeing some Care Bear items, so that means that we have a brand new display of Care Bear items somewhere in here that I haven't ran into yet. This store always has a ton of clearance. I've gotten so many amazing deals in here before. This is something that I've been seeing for weeks now. A lot of the Happy Place items have been on clearance, but this store has tons of items. This, I think, was from Christmas time. We have the eyeshadow and the lippies, Best of Fantasy Makers collection. And then we also have this one here, Big Papa, 2 mascaras and an eyelash curler. And then we have some other ones. I think these are leftover from Christmas up top. I'm gonna tell you guys the best soap ever in the entire world. It is the Deep Cleansing Bar. You guys are gonna love this. It's gonna make your skin glow. It's so amazing, and it lasts forever. Get your face wet, lather a little of this on your face. It is gonna make your skin shine. If you guys are all about like that healthy glow look, you guys are gonna love it. I will pay $11.47 for 3 bars of soap because it's the best soap in the entire world. And also another one that's amazing is this one. This one right here, the Daily Facial Cleanser, is amazing. And this is a pretty nice set, $12.92, and it comes with a pack of wipes. This one will leave your face looking amazing as well, but my number one go-to is the Deep Cleansing Bar. My store still has the Peeps Easter collection of nail polishes here. My store still has them full price. On something like that, you could probably ask for a clearance price. They may consider it, considering that it's Easter. This is the Wild Flora collection. I mean, when they're obviously Easter items, you can definitely ask. A lot of times you'll get a really nice discount just for asking. Glass Correct primer, serum, tinted hydrators. I don't see the super cute Care Bears collection anywhere. You guys know I love glitter polishes. I purchased one of the LA Color polishes lately, and I really like it. It was one of these from the Mermaid collection. I feel like a lot of the glitter polishes just last a lot longer. Is this the one no, this isn't the one I'm wearing. I'm wearing this one. This is the one I'm wearing. This is called Ice Queen. That's what I'm wearing today. But you need a lot of coats of it. I actually feel like the LA Colors performs better. Yep, LA Colors is actually outperforming Sally Hansen. Still looking for the Care Bears collection. Oh my gosh, what's this? We have another collection here. You guys, come on now. $23 for a pair of tweezers? No. Okay, just say no. That's too much for tweezers. I don't care if it's Tweezer Man. Since when do those cost $23? $15 lipsticks, double eyeliners for $15, $28 for a glow treatment. This line is all pretty overpriced for Walmart, if you ask me. We're leaving it. We're leaving it behind. And then best ever product right here. I love the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser. I love that concealer. I want to take you guys to some end caps because this store usually has a lot of really good clearance. I've gotten some amazing clearance deals here before. Hopefully I don't strike out. Madam by Madam CJ Walker. We have brand new shampoos, conditioners, leave-in conditioners, scalp serum, stretch and define curl cream. And we also have a balm to oil. This is definitely a new line. I'll have to tell Birdy about it. Diva cups are here. Oh, clementine. I've never tried the clementine before. Okay, here's my beautiful end cap over here. Ooh, this collection looks really nice. $36, you guys, for an eye pillow here at Walmart. I'm seeing some collections that are like a little more upscale, but the prices don't really go with Walmart, you know? I actually have two of these, you guys. I have two of these that I got at a thrift store, brand new, and the price tag here is $23 for one set. I have like two sets of these at home. They're really nice. It's like a really thick, absorbent set, but $23 for scrunchies? I don't think so, you guys. Towel scrunchies. The brand is Kitsch. And they've been around for a while, but the items, I mean, they do look luxurious, but $36 for like an eye pillow, a little bit steep. Okay, you guys, here's my beautiful end cap I wanted to visit. There's a lot of Happy Place items here. They've been here for months and months and months. I bought a nice collection of them. I bought a bunch of the body washes and lotions, but they also have the body sprays, and then they have the bath bombs. I think they're bath bombs. These are the fizzing bath bombs left over from Christmas. I'm definitely going to scan these because I think they're all 90% off, but I'm going to scan them. These are definitely worth scanning. This is what I ended up finding after scanning lots and lots of items. These are just $1.21. These are $1.50 in my store. The hemp seed oil extra moisturizing mouthwash. And then these rang up for 50 cents each. These are normally $4.97 each. I really love this fragrance. I have like the body wash, the lotion. It smells so, so good. I'm considering asking the manager to mark these down because these are definitely Christmas time bath bombs and they're super pretty. They're currently ringing up at $4.97 each, but they are definitely part of the Christmas line and they were right next to the ones that I just grabbed. So I'm contemplating grabbing these ones as well and asking for like a 90% discount or even more. But yeah, you guys, that's it for my video here in Walmart. Just kind of a beauty self-care video. If your store has lots of items marked down, get out the Walmart app and have fun scanning because there's lots of really good deals in here. And then you might also come across some seasonal items that your store manager might mark down for you even more. Like these are left over from fall. We even have some Halloween scents that you could probably ask to get them for 90% off and end up getting them for 69 cents each. They were originally $6.97, so it wouldn't hurt to ask. Anyways, you guys, that's it for me here in Walmart. Thank you so much for coming along, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.